Okay, in this video I'm going to go through some common powers and roots that you should memorize. All right, I'm going to help you try to memorize some of them. So I'll just start off by explaining what I'm talking about. So let's say we have, what's going on here? 2 to the power of 3. All right, that means 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. All right, so 2 to the power of 3 equals 8. Now, conversely, that means 8 to the cubed root. So the cube root of 8 is going to be 2. Think of it like this. Okay, that little 3 means, can we multiply a number by itself 3 times to get 8? Yes, we can. All right, that's what we're after. Here's a table of some of the common powers that you should memorize, particularly if this is relatively new to you. They come up a lot, and the quicker you're able to recognize them, the quicker you'll be able to do your maths and get to the answers. All right, this is going to save you from reaching for the calculator every time. It'll help you when you can't use a calculator, and it's going to help you a lot with topics going forward like index laws and functions. So powers of 2, powers of 3, powers of 5, 6, 7, 10. The reason I haven't put in powers of 4, 8, and 9 are because the 4 and 8 are just powers of 2. So if you know your powers of 2, you can use those to figure out powers of 4 and powers of 8. Bam. And same with 9. All right, 9's a power of 3, so you can use your understanding of powers of 3 to figure out powers of 9 as well. Let's move on. Let's put this into practice. I'm going to give you 5 questions right now. So go back to the table if you need to, try to memorize some of those. Or I'm going to include some roots in there. All right, because if you remember the powers, all right, you want to also use that knowledge to be able to find common roots as well. Okay, you'll get what I mean. All right, let's get started. So I'm going to give you 5 seconds for each one. All right, let's go 2 to the power of 4. All right, that's 16. Next one, let's go 3 to the power of 4. Did you get 81? Then let's go 7 cubed. Okay, did you get 343? All right, and let's do 2 with roots. So let's try the cube root of 125. Did you get 5? Okay, because 5 cubed is 125. And let's do one more. Let's do the 5th root of 32. The answer is 2, because 2 to the power of 5 gives you 32. That's the end of this video. So in summary, these are just some of the common powers that you should memorize, and they're going to save you a lot of time and effort down the track. So they're going to be very useful for you. Have a good one, and I'll see you soon.